What causes turbulence on a plane? During flying, pilots may face many types of turbulence. Understanding turbulence can help you respond more effectively in a turbulent situation. Most travelers hate turbulence on flights. What is turbulence exactly? Turbulence is defined as a quick, huge shift in airflow. Because of the irregular air motion, it causes up and down currents. Turbulence can also be defined as a sudden shaking you may experience on a flight. Causes: the air that makes up the atmosphere is moving all the time. Planes are able to fly because of this motion. Airflow going over and beneath the wings must be regular for a plane to fly continuously. However, some weather events might produce airflow irregularities, resulting in air pockets. Turbulence occurs as a result of this. There are other causes of turbulence and factors that give rise to distinct forms of turbulence, such as clear air turbulence, temperature inversion turbulence, mechanical turbulence, and so on. In academics, turbulence is still a topic of discussion. It's difficult to define turbulence because there are so many things that cause it. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, comment, and share our videos.